Rice water remedy for hair growth. Rice water has many properties that make it an excellent addition to your skin and hair care regimens. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. Rice water contains the nourishing antioxidant ferulic acid, as well as allantoin, an organic compound that helps soothe and heal skin. As far as hair benefits go, rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that helps strengthen your hair and reduces surface friction. Women in the Heian period 794 to 1185 CE in Japan had floor-length hair they kept healthy by bathing it in rice water. A modern-day equivalent of this story can be found in China. The Yao women, who live in a village called Wangla in China, are famed for having hair that averages 6 feet long. In addition to its incredible length, the Yao women's hair is said to keep its color for longer, as they do not begin to get gray hair until they reach their 80s. The Yao women credit the length and color of their hair to the fact they bathe it in rice water. Rice contains 75 to 80% starch and is a great beautifying aid. And rice water is the starchy water after the rice has been left to soak in it for a certain amount of time. It is said to be packed with rich nutrients that soothe inflammation in the scalp and dryness in the hair, including amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants. Advocates of hair treatments using rice water believe that it makes hair smoother and detangles the hair, it makes hair stronger and increases luster, it helps hair grow longer faster. Here we have a basics and simple methods to prepare rice water for hair at home and how to use it for hair effectively. 1. You can use any type of rice: white rice, brown rice, wild rice, basmati, jasmine, organic rice, etc. 2. Rinse the rice to wash out dirt and impurities with water. 3. At this stage, simply drain the water without letting the rice soak in the water for a long time to avoid the loss of nutrients. 4. After draining out the dirty water, add fresh water to the rice to soak. Depending on your preference, this is the range of ratio for making rice water: 1 tablespoon of rice to 1 cup of water, or 1 jar of rice to 3 jars of water. You can use any type of containers, but you must be able to cover the soaking rice with a lid or a cover to seal the container. 5. Let it sit covered for at least 30 minutes or overnight for fermented rice water. 6. Stir it slightly or knead the soaked rice lightly until the water turns cloudy to help vitamins and minerals seep into the water. 7. Drain the freshly made rice water into a clean bowl or container for use. You can store the rice water in the fridge for up to 1 week and shake well before use. Ways to use rice water after shampoo: pour rice water onto your hair. Use it to rinse your hair and massage gently. Leave it up to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.